Hello everybody and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer. I'm Jenny and welcome to my house. And it's our weekly food deals. And you want to know, because if there's one thing we all do, and we do it every day, that's eat. And some of us gotta feed a lot of mouths. So you want to know how you can save money while you're doing all this? Well, you gotta hang out here. So come on in and like and share the video on your way in. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, so you don't miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information, well, hit that subscription button and that notification bell. And that way you won't miss any of that. Everybody, thank you very much for stopping back by. Please, before you leave, don't forget to leave a comment or an emoji, because YouTube is watching. And share, please, even if you just share it with yourself. It is super duper important. But I'd rather you share it with your Facebook, any of your social media, in a TikTok. Share it somewhere where we can get some new exposure. Alright, everybody, let's talk. First and foremost, somebody made a comment about all the couponing videos these days being about the same. Well, I don't think that's so. When I first started, I was really detail orientated. I was kind of like Gma, Christie's coupons, and Crazee coupons. I was kind of like that when I first started. Everything's so detailed. That takes so much time, so much effort. I'm telling you, it is hard to be in your family, in your life, and work a job and have that much of a detailed channel. So, that's why I simplified. Not to mention, they're right. A lot of us do the same deals all the time. And again, that's why I started doing the daily deal. Small deals that you can do any day of the week. And you don't have to have a whole lot of space to store them. Or you can do those deals multiple times and have your stockpile. So it works for you both ways. And I try to give you realistic deals. Deals on things like food. That's why you don't see a lot of gain deals here. I will do a gain scenario like I just did. And I got a little something to tell you about that gain deal here in a minute. But I know you watch other people, so I kind of know that sooner or later you're going to happen upon the gain deal because everybody's talking about it. You're going to happen, upon the other deal that everybody's talking about. I will tell you some of those deals because, well, you might miss everybody talking about it, and I don't want you to miss it because it's that good. Or it's going to be part of our deals to help us make better deals. So that being said, don't think that all coupon channels are the same. Go find somebody that you like to hang out with for that 15-20 minutes every other day, or in my case, every day. Because if you're new here, my videos run like a soap opera. You need to watch them every day. Because in the end, they'll culminate and you'll be able to create your own scenarios to suit your needs. Just by doing a mixture of all the little deals that I share with you. Alright, now that I've babbled enough, and thank you for listening to that, let's talk about some food deals. Now, I know by now you've heard about the Dr. Pepper glitch. It is still active as of tonight. I went and did it again. And just so you know, You can actually cook with Dr. Pepper. You can make a Dr. Pepper cake. You can use Dr. Pepper to tenderize a steak. You can cook a chicken in Dr. Pepper. So there's, lots of other things that you can do with Dr. Pepper other than drink it. So we're going to use this glitch in a couple of our scenarios because Dollar General didn't give us a whole lot to work with this week, but we're going to make the best of it. Now we do have some good sales, and that's mostly what we're going to be working with is the sales and the sales prices and getting our extra 5 off 25. And in some cases, coupons. Now these are some of the items that we're going to be using in our scenarios. We're going to be using the Progresso soups. We've got a $1 earn. We're going to be using the old El Paso sale because we have a $1 off. And then we're also going to be using the Prego Instant Savings when you spend $8. Because you can actually get 3 jars of Prego. And if you're on a budget, cooking spaghetti or some sort of pasta one night a week, or even 2 nights if you use the Alfredo one time and then your red sauce the other time, is a really inexpensive way to cut costs on your food bill. We're going to be using this Clover Valley angel hair or spaghetti pasta. That choice is yours. Me, angel hair is my preference. We're going to be getting some of this Clover Valley Donut Shop Blend coffee. I like the caramel one. It is really good if you've not tried it. And these are 33 cents a serving. And they're normally $7.95. So this is a really good savings without any coupons. We're going to be getting some of this ranch seasoning. Now, if you've not tried this ranch on some roasted potatoes, you're missing out. You just take and use some potatoes and you either sprinkle some butter on them or olive oil, and then you put this ranch seasoning on them and bake them in the oven until they're golden brown. Yes, you're going to love them. We're also going to use that Lay's coupon, that Lay's Dash Pepsi coupon. That's glitching. And we're going to use it and get 4 of these bags of Lay's potato chips. We're going to get you ready for the Super Bowl or New Year's Eve or any gathering you've got going on for the next couple of weeks. We're also going to be using the Mountain Dew / Bubbly sale. That's 3 for $11 because we've got a $2 off coupon. So let's have a look at our scenarios. Yep, it's chicken scratch time, guys. We're going to pick up 1 Pepsi or Mountain Dew 6-pack of bottles and then 2 6-packs of the bubbly water. And those are going to be $11 for those 3 items. You've got a $2 off, and then you've got a $1 earn on the bubbly when you purchase 2. And then you're going to pick up 4 of those Lay's bags of potato chips. They're going to be $9 total. And at that point, you're going to get your $3 off. Then you're going to pick up these 6 glitching Dr. Peppers for $7.50, and your $4 is going to come off. And of course, then you're 5 off 25. You're at $27.50. You got $14 coming off. That leaves you an out-of-pocket of $13.50. With the earn coming back, your final out-of-pocket is $12.50. And that is 40 items at 31 cents a piece. And that is a winner chicken dinner, guys. So this is the deal you need if you're hosting any kind of gathering for football, New Year's Eve, anything in between. Next up, we're going to do the 6 Dr. Pepper again. And then we're going to do 3 Pregos for $9. And you've got that $2 instant savings. Then you're going to pick up 2 Quaker Chewy bars. Oh, I forgot to show you that. For $5.95, you've got a $1 off. And then you're going to pick up 3 of the Cheetos Mac and Cheese for $3.75. Now, both of these last 2 coupons, the Quaker Chewy bars and the Cheetos, are older coupons. anytime you get food coupons, whether you think you're going to use them or not, clip them, because they may be ending up being your fillers or something that you need later on. Now, you're at $26.20. That's not going to cut it. We have to be at $27 because we got $2 in instant savings. So we're going to pick up 80 cents worth of candy. That can be a candy bar. That could be some discounted Christmas candy. But 80 cents in candy. And you're looking at $27. And at that point, you'll get your 5 off. And along with your instant savings and your other coupons, you're looking at $13. That is $14 out of pocket for 14 items, guys. And that is a winner chicken dinner. Now we've got one more. And this last one, well, it does not have a lot of coupons. We are working primarily with the sales. We're going to pick up those 2 El Pasos for $4. We're also going to pick up an El Paso refried bean for $2.25. You're going to pick up 4 of the Progresso soups. And then you're going to pick up that ranch seasoning. You're going to pick up the Clover Valley coffee pods. Now, if you're not a coffee drinker, it's $4. Find you something for $4 that you'd prefer to get. You could do the General Mills cereals, 2 for $6. And you've got a $1 digital coupon coming off, if that's what could be a good substitute. And your Clover Valley spaghetti noodles, you're going to pick up 2 for $2. Now, you're just at $22 right here. And I wanted to, because we did not use a lot of coupons on this, I wanted to use something that would help you by bringing it down a little bit. So your last item is not food. It is the All or Snuggle for $3.75. You got a $1.25 coupon. And that comes to $25.75. And your your coupons coming off is $7.75. You're down to $18. You got a $1 earned. And your final out of pocket for this is $17. That's 11 items at $1.70 an item. Now, that's a pretty decent deal, guys, considering all the actual food and other products that you'll be getting. So there is some of your better food deals going on at Dollar General. And now for that little Gain tidbit. If you did not know that Gain 3 for 10, or 3 for 10, I think it is glitching and allowing you to get 3 flings instead of having to get 1 of each thing. So if you wanted to do that instead of having a variety of products, then you could do that on that Gain deal. Now, stay tuned, guys. We got a couple more videos coming before you go out on Saturday. And our next video, we're going to talk about some more glitches. And hopefully some really good money makers. Because we got a lot of new earns. And it's great to be paid to shop. So blessings. I'll talk to you again real soon.